Agency leaders, competition is fierce, right? You're always looking for that edge, especially when you're pitching new clients or trying to wow your existing ones. But don't worry, I've got you covered. I'm going to walk you through 3 ways that benchmarks from AgencyAnalytics positions your agency as an industry expert. All right, let's hop on the platform and check it out. The magic begins in the Benchmarks Insights feature. Start building out your filters by industry and metric. This is great to compare past performance when you're pitching a prospective client. This is great when you want to show off how your agency has performed compared to industry averages. Maybe your agency niches in the automotive space and you're pitching to a new prospective dealership. With benchmarks, show off how your agency's performance stacks up against industry averages for metrics like conversions or keyword position. And here's a pro tip. Include a benchmarks graphic in your proposal to really highlight your expertise and seal the deal. Next up, benchmarks is your best friend when setting goals with your clients. More specifically, realistic goals. Say you're about to take on a client in an industry you've never worked in, say dentists. No problem. Just pop into benchmarks, look up the industry, and the median for the metric you're looking for. Now, when you're sitting down to discuss KPIs with your client, you know what the standard is and what's a fair and achievable target to aim for. Standing out to potential clients is huge, but so is impressing existing ones. Benchmarks is a game changer for improving client communications, and it positions your agency as an industry expert. Say you have a travel-related client that just hit a Google AdWords conversion rate of 4.27%. Awesome, right? But does your client understand how impressive that is compared to others in your industry? That it's outperforming 65% of other businesses? They will now, so make benchmarks part of your regular client reports and dashboards. They're colorful, bright, and eye-catching. The perfect way to show off how you and your agency are knocking it out of the park. And there you have it. 3 game-changing ways to use benchmarks to position your agency as the go-to industry expert. Don't miss out on using these data-driven insights now at your fingertips. See how your metrics stack up and level up your strategy. Check out the link in the description for your 14-day free trial to Agency Analytics.